You think this shit's fucking easy? I gotta fucking stare at this! And I can't even fucking touch it! Huh? Or fucking dying over odds, my fucking fuck, I love this shit! But I know when 30 days comes up, every time I got fucking tested, I said no. Yes, I was fucking starving while I was sleeping! But I didn't eat. And each time I get tested, I'm gonna get my mental toughness back. I am him. I've already lost 6 pounds. If you don't believe me, I'm telling you, it's not about the weight, the fast gain. It's about testing your fucking self. We can't be beat. In the end, we will win.